Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another very important and easy Maths Olympiad question that we should know if we are preparing for Maths Olympiad, right? So here we are given 5 raised to power a is equal to 4 raised to power b is equal to 100, right? And we need to figure out what is 2 by a plus 1 by b. You know what, whenever you have this kind of equation that you are given two variables and you are given equation like this, always break it into two parts. Then first part will be equal to 5 raised to power a is equal to 100, right? And another part will be equal to 4 raised to power b is equal to 100. We can have any number here. We have here we have 100, but we can have like k or any number here. The only thing we need to know, why are they giving us 100? That means we have any relation with 100 in this question, okay? That we will figure out. But whenever you have this kind of question, you always try to convert the form which is required. If you see here, they are asking us to find 1 by a, right? 2 by a. That means a is in denominator, right? So if I take 1 by a root here, taking power 1 by a on both sides, right? 100 raised to power 1 by a, right? What will I get? I will get 5 is equal to 100 raised to power 1 by a. But I do not need 1 by a. What do I need? I need 2 by a. And how can I get 2 by a? If I square both sides here, right? This will become 25 and this will become, since you know that when we have power to power, they get multiply. It will become 2 by a. Okay, 1 by a times 2 is 2 by a. Now we have the thing we need, like 1 by a. Okay, and now we come to our second part. Second part, we have 4 raised to power b is equal to 100. But we do not need b. What do we need? We need 1 by b. So what will I do? I will take 1 by b power on both sides. 100 raised to power 1 by b. So this will cancel out, since when this multiply, it cancelled out, right? So 4 is equal to 100 raised to power 1 by b, right? Now we are getting something here. If we see, we have two equations. Suppose this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Okay. Now what will I do? I will multiply equation 1 and 2. Okay. So left hand side will be multiplied with left hand side, right? 25 will be multiplied with 4. Okay. And then right hand side we have 100 raised to power 2 by a multiply 100 raised to power 1 by b. Okay. Do you know 25 times 4 is 100? And there is a rule that a raised to power m times a raised to power n, when the base is same, what do? You always add the powers, a raised to power m plus n. So this will become 100 raised to power 2 by a plus 1 by b, right? And this is 100 raised to power 1. Now since you know base is same, right? Left hand side and right hand side, if you compare, bases are same. That means we can equate the powers. If we equate the powers, we get 1 is equal to 2 by a plus 1 by b. That means what is the value of 2 by a plus 1 by b? That is 1, and which is our required answer. So I hope you understood this. This was really easy. The only thing is you need to know how we need to think about these questions, right? So if you understood this, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.